We are an automated and intelligent breeding machinery and equipment factory from near Zhengzhou, Hunan, mainland China, aiming at providing comprehensive automated and intelligent equipment and technical services for livestock and poultry farmers all over the world, and contributing to the development of modern livestock and poultry farming in all countries of the world. Our main products are laminated egg equipment, laminated brooder equipment, laminated breeder equipment, laminated broiler equipment, chicken manure treatment equipment, egg packaging equipment. The company, from the planning and design of breeding equipment, configuration, installation to after sales, can provide a series of high-quality services in place for customers to build a modern farm. After years of efforts, our customers all over the world, please follow our camera to see our company's engineers and technicians traveled around the world, not far from thousands of mountains and tens of thousands of kilometers, came to the customer's designated location of the farm for our customers in the open space, in the primitive land for the customer to build and install modernized, automated, intelligent animal husbandry equipment. Our technicians will design a scientific, reasonable, and efficient automated farm for you according to the comprehensive factors of your place of origin, and we will not spare every detail to construct your dream breeding factory for you. You see, our installation sites have both small farms and large farms. In our company's business philosophy, no matter where your farm is built, no matter how big your scale is, as long as you trust us, all customers are God in our hearts. Tarzan is not but the microsoil. The sea does not refuse to flow. As long as the customer entrusts us to build the production of breeding equipment projects, we will not dishonor our mission. Do our best to create a satisfactory automated farm for the customer. Let customers realize economic benefits as soon as possible. The success of the customer is exactly where our value lies. Dear customers, you see, a modern intelligent farm in a yellow land above, from our hands to birth and successful operation. If you also need an automated livestock farm, what are you hesitating for? Pick up the phone in your hand, contact us, let your farming dreams start from us. You must be concerned about the price of our automated breeding equipment. Is it inexpensive? Is the equipment durable? Is the steel used genuine? How long does it take to build? And so on all your concerns, please call us for a free consultation. Please call us for free information about the equipment. Answer all the questions in your mind. Phone number 00864007567068, 0086139178499689. WhatsApp can be the same number to add.